By following some straightforward advice, you can become proficient in Feng Shui. This video tutorial will impart the 5 essential principles of Feng Shui DIY, guiding you in selecting a harmonious and auspicious dwelling. Mr. Y Talks, Life Philosophy. To choose a good house and realize the harmonious coexistence between man and nature, Feng Shui is inseparable. Feng Shui believes that the surrounding landscape and water bodies can channel the energy of the universe, thereby changing and improving the fortune of individual and family. First, choosing environment. Selecting the appropriate environment is the tone for the homeowner's well-being. According to the 10 books on housing, a renowned treatise on housing Feng Shui during China's Ming Dynasty, the environment's aura determines one's fortune. The book emphasizes that an environment with stunning mountains, clear waters, ample sunshine, and level terrain supports personal growth and healthy development, making it the ideal environment for building a home. Conversely, low-lying and damp areas, such as sandy soil and riverbeds, tend to be imbalance of yin and yang, leading to unease in the home and jeopardizing the family's health. Second, choosing location. According to Feng Shui, a house should be situated in front of a mountain and nearby waters, as these locations attract wealth and positive energy. It is considered auspicious for a house to face a round lake. Winding waters can enhance wealth, while waters with corners may lead to financial loss. Clean waters are seen as beneficial, while polluted waters can have negative effects on health. Moreover, the street layout surrounding the house is also important. If the main street faces the front door of the house, it is considered an evil and can bring bad luck to the owner. If the house is enclosed by roads on all sides, it is referred to as well-shaped evil. Third, choosing the shape. In Feng Shui, good house involves selecting an appropriate shape for the lot and house. According to Feng Shui, the shape of the lot can impact the homeowner's luck and prosperity. Ideally, the lot should have a flat and solid foundation, referred to as auspicious soil. The most favorable shape of a lot is square or trapezoidal with narrow front and wide rear. These lots attract good fortune and financial success to the homeowner and their descendants. Rectangular lots are also considered auspicious if they have long north and south sides and short east and west sides. Triangular and round lots may negatively affect the homeowner's health and luck. In addition to the lot shape, the shape of the house is also important. In Feng Shui, a square house is considered the most auspicious because it represents stability and balance. A house with a round front and a rectangular rear can enhance the homeowner's luck. A trapezoidal shape with a narrow front and wide rear is also auspicious as it attracts wealth. However, a fan-shaped house with a wide front and narrow rear is not recommended for living. Rectangular houses are stable and suitable for living. Triangular and irregular houses may bring bad luck to the homeowner. Fourth, neighboring facilities. In Feng Shui, it is important to avoid living next to unfavorable places such as hospitals, high-voltage lines, and factories with high levels of pollution. Hospitals have an excess of negative energy, while the high-voltage magnetic fields can negatively impact one's personal aura. Living near such places can damage personal health and fortune. Fifth, energy field. At this point, the opportunity to find a perfect house is not often. Faced with the reality of many homes having some sort of defect, how should we choose? The answer is simple: do not select a home with significant defects. For homes with minor flaws, the energy field must be considered. Since everyone has a unique energy field, it is crucial for a potential homeowner to determine whether the energy of the home matches their own. Determining compatibility between personal energy fields and that of the house is easy. Upon entering the house, take a brief tour to familiarize yourself with the location and structure of each room, and pay attention to any feelings of discomfort that may arise. Next, stand in the most spacious area of the house, close your eyes, feel the comfort of the entire house. If you feel peaceful and content, this is the home for you. Lastly, repeat the process around the house, closing your eyes and feeling with your heart. If the environment also brings you comfort and joy, then this is the house that matches your energy field.